Hello, today I'm unboxing this 16-gallon Rigid wet dry shop vac. Check it out. I picked this shop vac up from Home Depot. We're gonna unbox it, put it together, and give it a test. All right, inside we got the filter. Looks like a big old filter. Couple hoses. Not sure what this metal piece is. That's it. Okay, so the sound quality wasn't great on this, so I'm going to be doing mostly voiceover here. I'm going to point out a couple things. You can see me installing the handle and holder for the different attachments. Definitely do not do this. We'll see later in the video that this is intentionally later in the instructions that you can see I'm casually browsing. This just snaps into place. It's very simple. I have a bad habit of doing the steps that I think are obvious first and readjusting later. Okay, and now we're going to see exactly why I said not to install the additional attachments hanging port, because the majority of this install or assembly is going to be done with the canister upside down. It's mainly just the feet. You see me putting on these plastic pieces now. Make sure you line those up with the markings on the back of the canister. There are two metal dents or imprints that are on the back of the canister specifically telling you where to line them up. Had a little bit of trouble here with the wheels. You're definitely going to want to use a hammer to tap it in before you slide it in. After you do the first wheel, you're going to flip it over on its side to tap in the second one. Again, you see me pressing down here. Do not do that until you have it lined up with those markings in the back. So here we go, tipping it on the side makes it really easy to tap the wheels in and then place the caps on there. I'm now putting in the swiveling wheels. These take a fair amount of pressure. They'll make a little bit of a snapping sound as you pop them into place. And now I'm reading the instructions and realizing that I should have lined up these plastic pieces with the metal impressions or imprints on the back and needing to adjust them. So it's kind of a hassle once it's already done. So make sure you line those up first before you press them down. Finally got them where I wanted and pushing down so I can snap them into place. All right, we're almost finished here. Last step, or one of the last steps, is to install 8 little screws into the 4 corners. This will keep the wheels from falling off when you pick it up to empty it, etc. Once you finish with the screws, it is now appropriate to put the top back on and attach the attachment organizer or holder there at the back of the top. Alright, so we got pile of sawdust, vacuum, here we go. Seems to work great. I'm gonna go ahead and put it where it's going to go here in the corner and then hook it up to a couple tools and give it a try there. We have the shop vac hooked up to the miter saw. I'm going to be cutting through this 1/2 inch thick board here. Seems like it did a pretty good job, as the previous vacuum did, so I am satisfied. This is what it looks like in my actual garage, wedged in between the miter saw and my workbench. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not already, please subscribe, and God bless.